How you doing?
Man, hanging in the ad coming through here.
What?
That nigga Beelo, man.
You know I get what that liquor get in your eye.
And then do it for it, make you do it.
Yeah, make you do it. Make you do it. What's going on? Huh? That boy coming through on the white. They about to knock him off that motherfucker. Yeah, that came through. That nigga came through. One on Oscar. Yes, sir. What's going on, y'all? Motherfucking president of Memphis.
Man, I'm trying.
What's going on, buddy? Got it? Yes, sir. How you doing, lady?
I'm all right.
How y'all doing? What's going on, bro? Got it? How you doing?
Nah, this talking to one in this White House.
Every 20 seconds got me peeping out my window. Investigating the joint for traps. Taking my telephone for text. I'm staring at the woman on the corner. It's fucked up when your mind's playing tricks on you.
Yeah, this motherfucker. Yeah. Damn. The gimbal on that one and everything.
Okay, then what's up?
This the old John though. I can't afford the new.
Shit, look, hey.
Look, it's still this motherfucker still work. Malibu, Iro. Malibu in that color. I think that's a Omega. Fellas. 80 pounds, motherfucker. You might be. When you got these right here, don't nobody be looking at you crazy. They be like, they be looking more at the camera like, damn, what's that? You got that big ass camera like, man, what the fuck you doing?
What's up, bud?
Which one of your ensemble are you in today? Okay. Yeah, you know, shit take time sometimes.
Come back a week later with the feet on there.
Yeah. Some, like I said, some slight, nothing major. Huh, yeah? That goddamn Minecraft got me on that damn computer. That boy ain't wanna go no goddamn work. He got that damn headset on, it's over with. What the I'm saying? With the look like it don't let first thing I was like, damn.
Hello.
What's going on? What's on there? Y'all got a Luna?
You want a Luna?
Yeah. Shit, that what I do? Smoke cigars and drink water.
You like
Yeah. Shit, that's a killer. Shit, you can't lose. That's it.
Man, girl told me you're too much, man. I be on some crazy shit, bro.
That brown. What up, dude? All right.
Got anything good?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Nigga, don't know about a curve, nigga. What's going on with it? You all right? Hey, your light still on, ain't it? What up, dude? The fuck is they doing? Like, why the fuck y'all even up here fuck with folks that's parked? There's a million motherfuckers out here running up and down the street doing dumb shit. Ain't nobody over here even doing donuts and no stupid shit. Nigga, we patrons, nigga. Like, what you doing? Man, these folks be up here every weekend tailgate and don't damn police come over fucking with them. That nigga there is.
right there.
Man, that shit crazy. I'm trying to understand, like, what's the purpose of this shit? Like, y'all can really be doing something, and y'all are fucking with niggas that's parked in a public lot. Well, nah, a private lot, really. This shit private property. Y'all ain't supposed to be able to do shit over here. Like, what you doing?
You see why everybody down there just stay over there.
Cause I know damn well if Mexican ain't calling me like, hey, these folks on our lot fucking up. Like they got damn parked on the parking lot with rims. I know that Mexican ain't calling folks there.
They love this shit. Making that shit look good.
That shit weird as hell.
Anyway, just run out all the heathens and let the real niggas come back.
Well, nobody doing shit.
There were too many motherfuckers, boy, got out of control.
Huh?
Man, Memphis the only city do this shit, dog.
You know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck y'all even over here for?
There ain't nobody doing
Like, what they even, ain't nobody even doing shit.
City do this whole ass shit, dog. Man, these other places don't do
Ain't
this
nobody
shit,
even
bro.
doing shit.
Ain't nobody even doing. Like, I can see a nigga was doing donuts and shit. Like, nigga ain't even doing shit.
Man, this shit
ain't going
pissing me, this shit
nowhere.
pissing me the fuck off,
Oh, my ass
man.
that had the Michigan on their ass. I don't give a fuck.
Park in a spot though, fool.
I'm fogged over there.
No, I'm talking black. Park in a spot, fool.
Legal, I ain't doing shit.
Man, nigga ain't even doing shit. Y'all just ain't got shit to do. Y'all gonna be on break or something.
They just
Park in a spot.
trying to make themselves look good.
But these folks do this shit every weekend, bro. Don't nobody come over here fucking with them.
Everybody else making them look bad. All the police that's here, they making them look like they ain't doing shit, and they ain't.
Nigga ain't even doing shit. Man, that old lady went over there and asked you, like, why y'all doing this? If an old lady walk up and ask you why you doing this, like,
See,
it gotta be some
all
shit.
the white folks can gather and do that shit out there in Bali, and nobody say shit though.
Stupid shit, dog.
Ooh, that boy shit right.
Huh? What?
Eyes on this.
Ah. Silly ass shit, bro. Like, y'all literally sitting in there, motherfucker, like, a nigga just sitting on the parking lot, tailgating, doing what they do, and y'all come over fucking with a nigga. Like, that shit retarded. Y'all ain't got shit to do. I don't know what he said. Shit, did he call the police? Hey, he probably called him then. He doing all that shit. That nigga that's about look pointing at the police about next time y'all be on time. He must have called him or some shit. That nigga washing the truck.
That nigga did call the police on somebody one day that was washing cars over here.
He probably called him.
What'd he say?
He that type of boy like next time y'all be on time.
He told the police that?
Yeah, he told me he just said.
And the rest of them, I thought they was going to put the show on. They got permission to use the lot. It was EJ and the nigga with the purple dump. The purple dress. The nigga had the left on. Had the left on. Left. Oh, okay.
Oh, they do have permission.
Bro, you can't run no nigga off this private property, fool.
They said you use the lot.
Right. If goddamn Happy Blessing come out here.
Long as you ain't sitting in the middle of the street.
Right.
Get the phone. You gonna get property.
That's why I told him I ain't gonna park on the spot.
Yeah.
That weird ass shit, bro.
But I'll tell you what fucked up. That nigga with the turbo shit on the ground when he came to that motherfucker.
They ain't even say shit to him.
No, they went and got his ass.
The green joint?
Yeah.
Oh.
That number just hit it one time.
Oh.
It's like, he ain't even just like hit it though. He just
He
turbo
yeah.
screw.
Yeah, when he did this shit.
They got it right over there in Costco. They pulled behind them. No sooner they did that, all of them came over here.
Damn. Oh, I ain't know that.
But like I said, he didn't do nothing. He didn't do nothing but tap the gas to where the pro charger made that bit move.
Man, I want to put me another top on my car so bad.
I had a Caprice. That's exactly how to be said.
That's how it is, man. My 91 was like that.
Hey, jump out the players, man. I did that player. Jump out the players, man.
That's why I missed my 91. Man, them motherfuckers so clean. Them motherfuckers so clean. I wanted to put a top on that motherfucker. Like, nah, I ain't gonna not do it.
What up with your name, boy? What up, Jerry?
What up, dude? Hey, I wonder where he got the top from. You look like my top. No bullshit. Yeah, that's top of my 91.
Oh, man, Belo.
What's going on, alright?
Top on your jacket?
Huh? 22 when I first got it. I had to talk about 91. Damn.
That state county man to the buck. He be bad.
Damn, dog. You plug it, man. Oh, you plug it. I had the house on my eye. See that shit football. Are you in the game no more? Number 19. Yeah, right. It's over there.
Happy dog. If you don't mind me asking, and where you get that top from? Where you get that top from?
Pittsburgh. Pennsylvania.
Okay.
Yeah, Pennsylvania. That was the last one he had. They ain't making them no more.
Right. Now that motherfucker had that light in there, had the top around there, it looked just like the one I had, cause my tongue went to the junkyard. Somebody got that motherfucker. I'll try to see, was that it, yup. Oh man. This motherfucker clean as hell. What's up, y'all? So yeah, I know I probably hit y'all with a monkey wrench because y'all weren't expecting me to what's the day? Y'all wasn't expecting me to pull the shiv out again. Y'all thought it was gonna be the last time. Y'all thought it was gonna be the last time. But we pulled out one more time, y'all. That was it though. That was the last hoorah. Next time y'all see me rolling, man, we'll probably be taking it down to the shop, man, to go ahead and get all this stuff out so we can. What? Nah. Taking the car apart, man, to actually get ready for 2.0. That a scratch on my hood? Yep, don't know where that came from. Yeah, so now it's finna be a lot of after this gonna be a lot of trailering and a lot of, you know what I'm saying, all this stuff to go to the different shops to get stuff done what I need to get done. Re-end work, frame work, what else? I don't have to, I ain't gotta take it nowhere for the interior. I'm gonna get in here and do a lot of this stuff myself. But yeah, man, like, it's been a good run. Like I said, my raw, she done lasted for a while. I really only had that one. Well, I had a few hiccups, but yeah, I had a few hiccups. But that one, this one with that ball joint that tore my fender up, like that was like a big one. So, that was like a big one. So, but we finna get all that fixed, man. We finna get everything done right, the way it's supposed to be done. This build right here finna be, if I knew then what I knew now, this is how it would have been. You know what I'm saying? That's what this build right here finna be. So, why did it like it's a dent in my hood? But it ain't, but it looked like it. So, yeah, man, it was. I had fun today. I actually had fun today. We went up there to the pull-up park. Y'all seen all the footage. Y'all seen all the cars out there. There's actually a lot of people out there, and I kind of feel like they were saying the same thing. Like, man, it's kind of cold, so this is gonna be the last time I'm gonna be out. Let me go out with a bang. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, it's about that time. I'm glad that I can share this with y'all. I'm glad y'all here with me for me to share it with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stand down with me, man. It's all good. I love it. Yeah. Can't wait for y'all to see can't wait to bring y'all the videos, man, on the processes of what's going on, what we doing and all that. It's gonna be fun, man. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna cost. It's gonna be fun though. So yeah. Hey man, y'all, share the videos, man. Y'all share these videos. Tell a friend, tell somebody else, man. You know what I'm saying? Tell them, man, Beelo back at it again. We're finna do this 2.0 thing. I'm trying to be in a city near you, man. In your city. Man, all next year, man. I'm trying to be on tour, man. We're gonna get these things jumping. I'm talking about, for real. We ain't sitting in the house no more. Like, we finna be on it. I be finding some of the craziest stuff. I be finding scratches and all kind of stuff. But that don't matter, because that finna go anyway, so that don't even matter. So, yeah. It's your dog, man. Big Beelo, Mr. Anime himself, man. Yeah. Finna get ready for this 2.0, man. Finna get ready for this 2.0. Glad y'all was a part of the beginning stages. Glad y'all was a part of it, man. And we finna go up. Man. We finna put, this year right here, we finna put bubble Caprices on the map, man. We finna put them bubble Caprices out there, man, so folks gonna be like, okay. All right. Okay, so this is what we on. All right. You right here what we on. This how y'all doing. This how y'all finna do it in the Caprices. Okay, cool. All right, bet. But yeah, I'm happy, bro. I'm happy. I don't know if y'all can hear it in my voice, man, but I'm happy to finally go ahead and be able to get started. Yeah. If y'all made it this far in the video, man, do it again, man. We're gonna put 2.0 in the comments, man. Put 2.0 in the comments. Let's bring May Rose back, man. With man, I'm talking about. Let's bring her back, man, with pressure. I'm talking about super pressure. So yeah, it's your dog, man. Big Beelo, Mr. Anime himself. Catch y'all on the next one.